Boost your public speaking with self-assessment and reflection. Hello everyone, and welcome to another insightful video. Today we'll focus on practicing and applying self-assessment and reflection techniques to real-life presentations. If you're interested in enhancing your public speaking skills, this video will be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, it's important to grasp what self-assessment and reflection actually mean. Self-assessment is the process of evaluating your performance based on specific criteria. It's about being honest with yourself and acknowledging your strengths and areas of improvement. On the other hand, reflection is thinking about our experiences and actions, understanding what happened and why, and using that knowledge to improve. Self-assessment and reflection are key to improving your public speaking skills. They enable you to gain insight into your performance and work on specific areas that need improvement. By regularly practicing these techniques, you can develop and enhance your skills, build confidence, and excel in public speaking. To self-assess your skills, you need to first understand what makes a good presentation. Some of the main aspects to consider are clarity of speech, body language, eye contact, use of language, and audience engagement. After your presentation, ask yourself questions related to these areas, such as, did I maintain good eye contact? Or, was my language clear and comprehensible? Reflection goes hand in hand with self-assessment. After asking yourself those important questions, take the time to reflect on your responses. If you found that you weren't maintaining eye contact, for instance, consider why that was the case. Did you feel nervous? Were you overly reliant on your notes? Understanding the reasons behind your actions can help you make effective improvements for future presentations. The true value of these techniques shines when you apply them to real-life presentations. After delivering a presentation, set aside some quiet time for self-assessment and reflection. Analyze your performance, identify the areas where you excelled and those where you need to work. This analysis will serve as a guide for you to practice and improve your public speaking skills. That's it for today. I hope you found this guide on self-assessment and reflection for public speaking beneficial. Remember, the path to becoming an outstanding public speaker involves constant learning and growth. So, use these techniques after every presentation to understand your strengths, identify areas of improvement, and keep evolving. See you in our next video.